Hi guys, welcome back to my channel after a very long time. I hope all of you are doing very good. Now I am very happy to make this video because the last time we discussed that the market would be sideways and we should avoid the market. And this time I have come here to tell you that this is the time to get involved in the market. So let's be patient. We will not only talk about the market, we will talk about the economy, we will talk about something in the future, negatives, positives, everything, and we will give you a total big outlook for the coming months in the stock market and the overall economy and the views up on the upside or downside. So let's get started and stay tuned till the end. I will give you two stocks that are looking amazing at this point of time where you can invest. And again, please read the disclaimer. It is only for educational purposes and not buy or sell recommendation. So last time we came a few months back, I told you that the market will be sideways and to totally avoid the market. And you can see that the market went up and down and it went more to the downside than I expected, but it closed again at a sideways point. So the market went on a time-wise correction. Now what is a correction? A correction happens when something moves like in a very big bull market for a long time. And you can see that our Indian stock market, the Nifty, has been in a bull market since a long time. So it needed correction, and I thought that this time it would be a time-wise correction instead of a price-wise. So time-wise, it means that the market will go sideways, and that signs started coming in over here. So I told you to completely avoid the market because these are the times when people generally lose a lot of money in the markets when the market is choppy and sideways. So I personally did not trade and I avoided the market and I did not make videos so that you should also avoid the market. Now we are here because I think that the market's time wise correction for the sideways period is about to get over, or I would say that it is almost over, and you can see a good rally to the upside. I believe there will be a rally, a bull market again instead of a bear market that many people thinks. But I think that at the current scenario, the only way is to the upside. Again, I could be wrong. So this should be your defense line. Below this, I will also like be on the downside again. But as of now, the market is looking very bullish. Now, you would be thinking that it is contrary to the scenario that there is a war going on and there is inflation, there is situation is not good. But I think as per time cycles and as per the like correction period of the market, things will start improving and the market reacts before things start improving. I'm sorry. And in the coming future, I see that the war will get resolved. I see that the inflation will be under control. The 2 quarters of recession that has been in the United States and the UK, it will start fading out, and we will again be on an economic recovery mode soon after. Now, how could I say all this? It comes from experience, and everything that happens in the past gets repeated in the future. And I think good times are ahead. And let's get to the analysis of the market. So you can see this is a long-term moving average, and whenever market touches this, market bounces and goes up. I'll show you some examples. Market touches this and goes up. Most of the times corrections of big bull markets, you see there was a big bull market, it ends near a very long term moving average. You can see there was a big bull market and the corrections end near a like moving average. We just have to time the market, and probably this is the point where this is our favorite moving average. This is the 20 moving average. You have seen me putting this on the chart like many of times. Here also I give you a good buy signal over there. Here again it is bouncing off the short term moving average as well, and it has completed the long term correction as well. Now, given forward, the economic outlook for the world is okayish, I would say. The global tensions will resolve. But there is a minor problem with, I would say, the time cycles of India, because you would see that every 10 years there is a communal violence, and more specifically every 20 years there is a big communal violence. But we should always make a try to avoid such circumstances. Otherwise, to the end of the year, I think there is a problematic scenario for India in case of communal tensions that are happening. But apart from that, the market, the global economic output is looking positive to me, and this is a 20,700. This is a long-term target, 6 months to 7 months ahead. I think that the market will easily achieve it. It will go in a like strong bull market from now. At the end of the year, there might be some problem relative to India, but if we all promote peace and harmony, that could be resolved very soon. And I hope that resolves very well, because we have advanced a lot as a country as well. So Bank Nifty is slightly more bullish than Nifty, but again it has a lot of hurdles compared to Nifty. So upside is limited, but it can go sharper than Nifty, but I won't think it will give a lot of returns. And let's get straight to the stocks. The first stock I would like you to see is Arvind Fashion. So it has also completed a very long term correction, and you would know basic technical analysis. This is given a breakout and is ready to go in a upside direction, is what I think. Again, manage your risk. This is not a buy or sell call, it is just for educational purposes. Next one is Bharat Electronics. So this is more of a short term call, I would say, because there is a good triangle shape over here, and you can see that the market went sideways for a long time. So it has the potential to touch higher highs and go higher very fast, but the upside is limited. And for Arvind Fashion, this is a long term trade. You can keep it for the long term, but this one is a short term trade. So manage your risk, and like this can be your stop loss, and you can take a target near 280s. That will be a good risk reward ratio. So that's it for the video. We talked a lot upon economic scenario and issues in the Indian economy, the global political issues. And if you liked my work, if you liked this video, please share it. And my exams are starting tomorrow, but I made this video because it was important to let you know that the long term correction is about to get over, and we should like hope for a big, good, healthy bull market for India. But again, we can get wrong. So again, keep your stop losses. If the market falls, it can be severe as well, but most of the chances are there that the market will rise. So this is the time to get involved in the market. You must focus on ETFs of Nifty Ps. That is also very good in terms of investment. Again, I would repeat that this is not a buy or sell recommendation. It is just for educational purposes. So if you missed out any point, please rewatch this video. If you like my work, please share this video forward. Meet you the next time. And again, this is a long-term view. So it is for a few months now, not like 1 or 2 weeks. It is for a few months. So we'll meet you very soon. See ya.